Welcome back in the peeps. Welcome back to another epic adventure. And today guys, guess fly down in a guys some we out of England in a guys. We out of England in a guys. And today what we gonna do?
Chester.
Alright, we're gonna roast some fish for the guests today guys. I'm gonna introduce you guys to my guest in the house guys. Here's my guest
Mrs. Rebecca Williams.
Yeah guys, don't know today I'm gonna roast some fish for the guests. We have a piece of salt mackerel, we have our one conch. I'm gonna chop them on the grill. As you guys can see that, go light up, everything I go on the action. I'm gonna make a little look after the fish. Bro, it's a salt mackerel. I have some fish. I have a conch in it, you know. So we're gonna get the fish them seasoned up. We already clean them up from back home. So I'll get them seasoned up now, guys.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for all of that. Yeah guys, I'll get the fish them seasoned up and then yeah man. We're gonna use some Maggi fish season. And we're gonna use one black pepper. And anyway guys, we have some pepper, same way, Jamaican hot pepper. Get them cut up and stuff them in the fish, you see me? So guys, anyway, just stay tuned for all of this in the peeps. One love, you know. Out to do the right thing, you know, guys.
Right there, one teacher there, yeah.
Talk it to you,
Brawling.
Brawling, talk it to you, Lord God. Yeah, man. Nice moment, you know, guys. Or in a fly down, you know. Straight from out of England, you know, guys. Yeah, man. What we are doing now guys, we get the black pepper and the fish season mixed up together, you know. Epic, you know. Yeah man. Lick out the fish them and now and get them seasoned up the right and properly way, you know. What you say, Andrew?
That
Good.
is it, man.
Good, go on.
Right.
Yeah. Whenever you season up your fish guys, make sure you have the season, take your time, rub it in. You have to just watch the bone.
Yeah.
Rub it in nice and easy, you know. Make sure the fish season the right and properly way, you know. Yeah guys. Salt mackerel, you know.
That is the head.
You know? Yeah man, salt mackerel. But you know guys, when you roast, you know. Wow. Yeah guys.
Come.
Crazy man.
Come, strong up your back. Eh?
Alright guys, you leave the knife in the car. So at the old fashioned way we are doing it, use the fork and get the pepper slice up. Old fashioned way.
Utilize the tool.
Yeah, so I'll get stuff, you know.
Yeah.
That's our no post room and jump back.
I'll sit wet.
Alright. Come on now, Delano. Andrew. Yeah guys, check in, you know. Yeah man, I get it. Yeah guys, just watch too. All of that.
I'm video I see you put up.
Ah. Then I just come for and see.
See life, take off money.
guys, I don't know now guys. Outside, Andre and wifey, you know.
Believe no man.
You don't know, outside with the guests. So whatever we're looking about, that's what the guests require. So we are here to please the people, them, not ourselves. Please the guests. Yeah man, that's what we're here for, you know. One top chef, you know, one pencus, you know, one DJ, you know. Yeah man.
Believe no man.
And remember, you know, peeps, like, share and leave a comment. If you're watching the video and you like it, you can subscribe, you can leave a comment. Yeah guys, check it out, you know man. Yeah, I can get one.
Grilled fish. Come find some. Let's say. Salt mackerel. Epic. In the year. That is it. Pasta left on the beach. They're going baptize money today.
Look at that chocolate brown, you know guys. Wow.
Can't smell it, you sitting there and
Smell the fragrance, don't you?
yeah. You say pepper like kitchen.
Yeah man, the fragrance nice man, I like the fragrance, you know. Yeah guys, that is it, you know guys. Out with the guests them, you know guys. Yeah man, out with the guests, you know what I mean. Guys, remember, you know, long as you leave abroad and come to Jamaica, you know, remember to link up with Penco Spear Fishing, you know. And guys, remember we always treat the guests them special. We ever treat the guests them the special way as all we can. Yeah man, we look out for the guests them more than every other steam. That's how we do it, you know guys. Nice roast fish, conch, salt mackerel, finger lick it. You know, the guests are gonna love it, you see me? Stay tuned, you know guys. One love, you know. Don't shy, make it easy. Don't shy.
Yeah, pepper kick for it.
What?
We know.
Jamaican style, you know? Yardman style, you know? Keep turning, because you don't want him stick on the grill, you know? Yardman style.
Yeah, I'm not then stick, you know.
Yeah. I like mackerel. I'm my favourite. I like mackerel.
Hold the plate again. Yardman.
More fish.
Yardman style. Yeah, man. Come on, Andre.
It's not your favourite, is it, salty?
Yardman style. Yardman style, isn't it, mommy?
Very nice.
Full of pepper in it.
I like pepper.
You like pepper?
Yeah.
Guys.
One little pepper kick me already.
Best fish in Jamaica. Very nice. It's nice. You don't even have to be Jamaican to eat fish like this on the beach. You can be English like me. Freshly fished every day.
So we do it in a one top chef Pencos. That's it, ready.
Ready now, guys. Andrew, come in. Ready. Yeah, man. Guys, now lying. From nice. Very nice. Guys, you see the Maggi fish season mixed with the black pepper. Have a different spice night. Maggi, nice. Now lying. Very nice. Wow. Sweet, now lying. Finger licking. Check out Andrew.
Good night. Fully buzzing.
How you got my boss?
Fully buzzed.
The fish has my husband's approval.
No, hold it and bite it.
Very nice. Loads of flies. Actually having a ceremony on the beach. Jesus.
Yeah, me not like it. Pepper strong, you know? Nah, man, make me nose run. Pepper strong. Pepper hot, man. Hot daddy, hot daddy. Yeah, guys, Jamaica is so nice, guys. Jamaica is so beautiful. You guys need to have a look at the beautiful Jamaica, you know? Yeah, man, place very, very nice, you know, guys. Yeah, man, check out the place, man.